So we have Rahul covers a distance from P to Q on bicycle at 10 km per hour and returns back at 9 km per hour. Anuj covers the distance from P to Q and Q to P both at 12 km per hour. On calculating, we find that the Anuj took 10 minutes less than Rahul. So we can also understand that the time taken by Rahul is time taken by Anuj plus 10 minute. Okay, so here we have the solution for third one. So let the distance be between P and Q be x kilometer. So here we have, so you can say Rahul's time will be, Rahul's total time is the distance by first time the speed plus the distance by second time the speed. Okay, so we can make it as 19x upon 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, now Anuj's time, total time is, he takes the same, he travels by the same speed, so we have x upon 12 plus x upon 12, and that will be 2x by 12, which is x upon 6 kilometer per hour. Now the condition is, so Rahul's time, so that will be 19x upon 90 is equal to x upon 6 plus 10 minute. Please remember 10 minutes. So we are converting minute into hours because everything is in hour. So we divide by 6. Okay. So now we have 19x upon 90 is equal to, since the denominator is same, we can write x plus 1 upon 6. Now cross multiply, we have 6 into 19x equal to 90 into x plus 1. So 6 times 54. 114x is equal to 90x plus 90. Subtracted 114x minus 90x is equal to 90. So this will be 24x divided by 90. Okay, so the answer is in points. So 90 by 24. So if you cancel this one, okay, 3 8s are 3 30s are okay. So the answer is 3.75. Okay, kilometer. That's your answer.